I think slide in is the best. So let's see a little bit of preview right here. Yep, that's how it's supposed to look like. And then the next thing that I want you guys to do is to put this one into this. You might ask, like, why? Because you wanted to change from this plus icon into this. And that's pretty obvious though. Now you wanted to change it into Smart Animate channel, and now this is how it's supposed to look like. When you click on it, it's going to change into this frame. You see the banana, you can see the trash can, and also a plus icon, and also one. These two are new, and also the basket view are new too. So that's how for the second frame. And of course, you got the same thing until we reach this part. So without putting too much duration into the video, it'll be better for me to skip it. And of course, some of you will be a little bit confused, like how this one is supposed to be here. So basically, this one is uh, what do you guys call it? It's transferring from the banana into the orange, because you guys can see the difference between this one and this one. There's an orange here, and it's not supposed to be there. It's actually right here. That's the thing. And about this one, you might be a little bit confused, like where does it come from? Because it's like that. It got auto clipped right here, or clip content, so it became like this. So yeah, that's how. And this one too, there's the same thing about it. You put another, let's see, that one thing, because we put like two cleaner in here, so we just put it into there. And this is how it supposedly be looking like. Let's start from the beginning, so it will be more clear. So once you have done this one, you're gonna click on that and then that. By the way, you can move this, add the orange and the strawberry could have just been skipped because you don't interested on it. That's the settings. And now we can also go down, add two of them, and you can see the basket after this. Okay, so the next thing that you wanted to do is to put the few basket into this one by doing the navigate to smart animation channel. And this is how it's supposed to look like. You basket and it go like that. See, there's a lot of options here, and that's how you go there. And then the next thing that you wanted to do is to put the white frame into this one by going up the delay 100 milliseconds. And yep, that's basically how. And let's see the progress. That's how it looks like. So we're going to see it from here. Go to the card. Oh, so it must be wrong. Let's change it into Smart Animate and then see that again. There, you can see that it has, well, completed anything. And yeah, that's how to do that. And then the next thing that you wanted to do is to put it in here and go with the after delay, slow, 100, they change it into 100, a little bit better, that'll do. And let's see from this one, so it could be more, better. See, it's going to look like that. Then go to the checkout after this. Okay, so the next thing is you gotta take the go to checkout into another, to the next slide, and it's supposed to look like this. Wait, maybe we could make it a little bit better. Not slow, but channeled. Let's see how it looks like. Wait, we're gonna change it into slide in. Okay, supposedly it looks right. See, that goes like that. And for this thing, for the checkout, there's nothing actually you have to change. You only going to look exactly like this. See here, and then we gotta do the place order by clicking on this and place order into this, just like that. Let's see how it looks like. Place order, see, and that's how it is. Don't mind this. And then for the payment, I have put it everything in. Basically, there's nothing special. All you have to put inside the setting is that you gotta click on the number that you wanted to put and put it in here. You type it manually, and then into the other thing. This is the setting, basically the same. Navigate to on click payment. Yeah, instant. It could go instant or everything. So basically, it's going to look just like this. 5 and put everything in by doing that. Like just clicking. You could you could literally put anything inside. See, this is all the number that we actually need to put. 8 and then 1 and then 7 and 9. Well, put all the number in after 9 2 50 and 2 and then 7 and then 8 and then 3. You guys can see it from here. And yeah, after that you could put the expiry. Just clicking on 2 or 02. Yeah, just put everything inside like the CVC 19 C 19. Just click on whatever it asks, putting everything just like this. And now we're moving into the payment. Confirm and pay. This one we have to connect from confirm the payment into here. I'll click and navigate to see how it looks like that. Well, on this, you can finally move into another one. Gonna be slided in. This is the setting, just see it, and then you can see the preview. It's not supposed to be on click, but after delay, 8,800 is okay. So it's gonna look like this when you click on confirm the payment, and like that. And yeah, that looks like it. And then while it's waiting, we just gotta put everything the same with before. And for this needs one tool called this. What is this? I forgot. Lottie files. Just look for that and put that in. Basically done, and this is how it's all supposed to look like. I mean, at the end, let's just see it. It's supposed to look like this, like we are actually waiting. So yeah, that's basically how the tutorial is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.